Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of Dogecoin. So, my friends, what's going on this time in a Dogecoin? And in this video, I'm present with the latest update of Dogecoin. My friends, if you are a holder of Dogecoin, so this video gonna very special, gonna very urgent for all of you, because in this video I'm talking about the very urgent update of Dogecoin. So keep watch till then, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now, if you look the latest price of Dogecoin this time in the market, so the latest price you can see here, 0.36000001 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Dogecoin and a USD dollar. On the other side, you can see here the price of Dogecoin and a BTC Bitcoin, my friends. 0.00001012 USD dollar is the BTC price of the Dogecoin. Same like that, if we look the market cap is an increase, total supply is an increase, available supply is also already increased. And same like that, if we look the 24 hours volume of Dogecoin, so absolutely the volume is also increased, as you know, in this time. And as I told you, you can see here, my friends, as I told you, in the start of June they will take a huge pump. You can see here today is the 2nd June, and the previous last 24 hours pricing is positive 8.54% prices change is going positive. So this means that the Dogecoin take a jump in a previous time. That's why the pricing is still here positive, my friends. Now the current situation of the Dogecoin is going wrong, because the last 1 hour pricing is negative 1.85%, my friends. Let's see the price chart, my friends, what's going on this time. You can see here, my friends, in the start of June, that is the previous last 1 month price chart of the Dogecoin. You can see that this green candle represent 1st June of the Dogecoin, my friends. The 1st June they take a huge pump, and now hope will also take a they will also today take a huge jump, my friends. And now in the beginning of month, every cryptocurrency start moving upward. So that is why I want to make this video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that please don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell any cryptocurrencies in the start of month. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.